The Sure Set Guide to Laying Your TradePack. In each TradePack, we will supply you with pre-weighed aggregate, pre-weighed shore sand, resin components in separate pouches, 2 pairs of PVC gloves, 1 bag of fine grit, 8 resin mixing tubs, 1 40-litre mixing bucket, stirring spatula, 1 whisk attachment for mixing. Each 1 pack is made up of the following: resin component P, resin component I, aggregate, shore sand. You will also need measuring tape, masking tape, broom, shovel, float, high torque drill, white spirit, cleaning cloths, ground protection for work area and mixing area, squeegee. To start, pour the contents of the resin pouches P and resin I into one of the resin mixing tubs and mix to a consistent creamy colour. Empty the large bag of aggregate into the 40-litre mixing bucket. Pour all of the mixed resin over the aggregate in the large tub. Then, using the whisk, mix the aggregate and the resin together until all particles are well coated and the mix is consistent and free of clumps. Empty the bag of shore sand over the mixed material and whisk until evenly distributed throughout the mix. Immediately transfer the material to the point of use. To aid laying shore set, use white spirit to clean and lubricate all tools before, during and after installing your Sure Set TradePack to remove material adhering to them. Using the lubricated steel float, use smooth, continuous, long side-to-side, back and forth sweeps of the float, applying firm but light hand pressure to ensure undulations and marks in the surface are removed. The Sure Set will normally harden overnight, but may take longer depending on the ambient temperature. Make sure it is protected from the rain until hard. It's ready for use when firm enough to not be marked underfoot, usually the next day. For further information, see the full instructions included in your Sure Set TradePack.